coming back.
Okay.
Serve that paper, baby, I pay a pen. Say I am the one, cause you weren't. Rolling up the day, even when the sky can't forget. Even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and that's what you feel.
I like this one.
I like that too.
This one was perfect to me. This will be my new car tomorrow morning, bright and early. Coming back to pick her up. No more light interiors. All right, YouTube, we made it here, so we're gonna go inside and then we're gonna come out with the new car. I miss him already.
Back in just a moment. Thanks for holding.
One of my favorite features of this car is this dash. It is 2 screens and I love it. I ended up going to Five Below to get some car accessories. So this is me just leaving and kind of looking for my car because I'm so used to coming out to Benny. The most important feature was to get all-wheel drive, which as you can see was very necessary because here it is snowing after that little gopher said that it wasn't supposed to snow no more. Okay, you guys, so I went to Bath and Body Works and Five Below. So I'm going to try this vent clip before I get out of here because I've bought a phone holder before that did not support my 14 Pro Max with a case on it. So we're going to try to put this on before we get out this parking lot. Look how it's coming down. I was just out there in this. The flakes are so big. It's coming down so fast. But yeah, I'm gonna get this clip on here and then we're going to go through some goodies. Okay, so first of all, I have commitment issues and this is sticky. So, but also I could have made this better. I could have laid this shit on here better. I could have probably got a better version on like Shein or Amazon. However, I was impatient. So let's put the phone up here. I mean, it'll do, but yeah, I probably won't use it. I also got this pink cord to replace the white one because the white one just won't match my aesthetic once the rest of my items arrive. It's super long though. It's like 10 feet. So I didn't want a long one, but I'll just use the tie. When I tell y'all, I was ripping and running all day. So after I left Five Below, I had to hurry over to my wax appointment. And then I got a car wash. And I actually bought the subscription, so I'm feeling like a big girl. Look at him, Bernard. So handsome. Alright, I have both cameras set up now. I'm gonna pull out and turn around so I could take my thumbnail picture before I get in. It still smells like new car. Okay, so this is going to be a problem because the cameras are not side by side, so they're not really capturing the same thing. Okay, hey y'all, so I got my Amazon stuff. I don't know how I feel about decorating my car pink when it's blue on the outside. It's giving gender reveal. I don't know, but all the cute girly accessories are they come in pink, and I like pink, don't get me wrong. I personally wanted green in my car, but I don't even feel like green would look good with the blue. I don't know, I just feel like I can't try to match the interior to the outside because I'm not gonna get blue stuff. I'm simply not. So yeah, let's get into this stuff. All right, so I realized this box is way too big to fit in the car, so I'm just going to take the stuff out and show y'all individually. Now I gotta open it. I'm just gonna save this one as extra because it's like this car was built to not have a gap on the driver's side. I don't know if that's all cars, but we'll just save this one for in case something happens to the other one. I don't know what these are for, like maybe if it's not long enough. One of the more important accessories for me to buy was a trash can. I typically store things in the door, and that is simply not enough room, and it also just makes me feel overwhelmingly cluttered when I don't get to it. So out of sight, out of mind with this trash can. As you saw, it came with a few trash bags for the first couple uses, and you just hook it over this and you're done. Another item that I wanted to buy just to include my accent colors is these cup holders. So I didn't want my car to look like a teenage girl car and go like overkill with the pink, but I did still want some of the pink. And more accessories are being shipped, so there will be more pink. It just won't be, overkill. I don't know why I never thought to get a car kit before with my other cars, but this is a must-have. So it comes with this bag. I think it comes with this bag. No, I bought this separately. Either way, I got this organizer, and I decided to put a microfiber towel and a blanket in case I feel like having a picnic. I've never had a picnic in my life, but maybe it'll be a cold day and I'll go to like a sporting event or something and I want a blanket. Some of these items need no explanation. Like, obviously this is for the windows and stuff. I really love these pink ones because when your inside window fogs up, like the last thing you want to do is take a regular towel to that. This is for cleaning like the dash. It came with a lot of goodies. This is like the dust collector. I love this. It literally has everything you need and you don't have to buy them all individually. I got this cute vacuum. Like, oh my gosh, I want the vacuum in my house, really. I found out that the set came with a bag and I started putting my vacuum attachments in it. So it's really not enough room in the bag for everything that came in this kit. but it was enough room for the vacuum attachments plus the vacuum. So that's what I did. At first, I thought this pillow was just extra as fuck. But as soon as I sat down, I could tell this pillow is a lifesaver. I gotta be the only person in America that does not like new car smell. Let me know in the comments if you like new car smell, because, oh my goodness, I had to get rid of it immediately. I got these cute bling pieces for the door locks. And then it was time to really get to work. Like, I actually had car essentials like first aid kits, lint rollers, tissue, dental floss. Like, I had so much stuff, even like hair ties, just things that you would forget, but you would hope that you had. I want to have that in my car for wherever I go, so I can be like, ooh, let me run out to my car. I have that. Always keep hand sanitizer stocked and loaded. And then I'm just going to put the extras of what I'm not putting up here in the trunk in that organizer. Of course, the pink one's rolling up front with me. Ow. So as I said, I just came to the trunk to put the rest of what was left over back here. That spray thing is a lifesaver. Like, when I had my light interiors, that really got me together. And voila, this is how everything turned out, a little once over. Be sure to come back for part 2 when the rest of my accessories arrive. And like, subscribe, and comment your favorite accessories so far and what you think I missed.
I don't fuck with y'all bitches. Try to take who it ain't enough for y'all bitches. Hoes so phony, got me looking at them sideways. I was really looking at somebody sideways. Pretty in the face.
Look at the camera, Damon.
Huh?
What do you think of the new car?
I love it.
You love it. What's your favorite part?